Some kids have lost the knowledge about running, jumping, catching, throwing, hopping, skipping, etc. And so we're trying to make sure that they learn those fundamentals, and participating in sport or being involved in physical activity is easier. It's more logical progression.
CAASP is the Canadian Active After School Partnership, a group of organizations that are all working together that have an interest in the after-school time period and getting activity for youth.
After school is quite complex in regard to the number of partners there, so it's making sure everyone is at the table, representative from disabilities to girls to Aboriginal, sharing information, sharing resources, and as I say, it just delivers a better program to the kids in the end.
Our involvement is as the lead organization coordinating the various partners who make up CAASP. There are 6 of them. Our effort is to try and ensure that the different initiatives that are happening in the context of CAASP happen smoothly.
I think CAASP has been really effective to get the message across to the Canadian public about the importance of being active in the after-school period.
A generic program doesn't work for all. I mean, having opportunities where they can feel confident, develop their self-esteem, then they're more willing to try new things.
Setting the bar right from the start that a program is going to be thought of under a disability lens, because if you develop a program that works for a person with disabilities, it's going to work for anyone. We have to focus on how do we work together. Every situation is different.
There's extremely good partnerships built now amongst most organizations. We're starting to collaborate outside of this realm. What do we really need to do for young people today, young Aboriginal people and young people in general?
Boys and Girls Clubs of Canada is really proud to be part of CAASP because it's working across sectors and across the country to get more Canadian children active and healthy.
We're spending more time together, learning more about what each other does, so then there's opportunities to find places where we can have impact and we both benefit.
3 to 6 time period is when many kids should be getting physical activity, and at present, in many cases, they're not.
What we now understand is that nothing gets solved on its own, that you need partnerships and that you need a series of organizations and people working with the right intent on the same issue.
The instructors and the practitioners are learning more about what do they need to do to engage the girls and have them get involved in the programs and then stay involved.
CAASP is looking to get kids more active, to see youth lead healthy, active lives in all areas of their life.
Like all the national partners sitting around that table, we were all doing great work, but it was not coordinated. That's what we needed to do to stop the duplication, to bring our efforts together, and I think everyone there realizes that we can do more and do it better if we do it together.